Alright, Carnation, Jamaica, you know that we service vehicles, so this is a home project, doing it at home, you know. So we have it's a 2015 Honda Fit. So we have our original Honda oil synthetic blend for our engine. Oh, that's my safety glasses. I have our genuine Honda transmission fluid, CVT, that we have to get pumped in. Right. Here we have our premium air filter. Right. Another high quality product. We have our cabin filter for our air condition to get rid of all that bad scent and odor. Right. We're not going to change the spark plugs. These cars come with very high quality spark plug that lasts for a very long time, long reach iridium plugs. So always have your service mechanic check your mileage and check your car before you buy those, because they are very expensive. Alright, so here I already took off the air filter, took out the air filter, rather. Here it is. It's not in too bad of a condition. It's pretty much, you know, but nevertheless we're going to change that. Our map airflow sensor, I've already taken that out and cleaned it. Alright, the engine is pretty clean. I've pulled off the oil cap and the dipstick, and presently our oil is being drained. I've already pulled the bung and have the oil being drained. And after we put in our new oil, we're going to let the car trickle for some time to get up to operating temperature. Then we're going to use some of this AMSOIL power foam to clean out our trickle body and our valves. So we're just waiting to do that. Yeah. Here's our genuine oil filter. Genuine parts. At Carnation we only use genuine parts. Alright? Genuine oil filter. Alright, here is the mass airflow sensor that I've already cleaned. I've already cleaned, and I'm sitting it down here for it to dry. Right, and this is what I use to clean the mass airflow sensor. Gunk airflow. Right, sensor cleaner. Do not use the valve cleaner, brake fluid, injector cleaner, AMSOIL power foam, trickle body cleaner. Do not use any of those on your mass airflow sensor. You will destroy it. You have to use a mass airflow sensor cleaner, nothing else. Okay, here you see I didn't even use my two stands. I used one. You know, as a result, it's a pretty light car and the car is in excellent condition. So I'm able to reach, or have a little spillage here on the ground, but I'll clean that up afterwards. I'll definitely clean that up and throw some dirt or some sawdust on that. Alright, so this is our oil pan still draining, getting out all the old oil. You can see the old oil. It might look a little bit darker on camera than what it actually is, but in fact the quality of the oil is not bad at all that came out of it. It's a nice golden brown, right, and I still have some quality to it. Alright, so I'm going to remove, yes, I'm going to remove my oil filter here with a special tool. That's the bung there. We're going to clean that up and reinstall that back right there. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to remove the oil filter now. This is a special tool I use for it. I'm unable to record and do it at the same time, so you just have to follow. So you need this oil filter puller sockets, and you pretty much put them over the filters like that and pretty much turn, and that's how it works. Simple process.